Alexi was a very nice person who was very athletic. She played all types of sports and her favorite sport was basketball. Then her life drastically changed after she was diagnosed with ALS. No longer could she play basketball. She could barely move. She was paralyzed. On average, 15 people are diagnosed with ALS every day. That's more than 5,600 people a year. ALS was discovered in 1869 by French neurologist Jean-Martin Charcot. He stated that ALS was a different disease than MS. He described and diagnosed the first cases of ALS as a specific neurological disease. He did studies from 1865 to 1869 that helped him find out that lesions in the spinal cord will result in long-time progressive paralyzation. He also claimed that the spinal cord consisted of a two-part system, and the location of lesions caused different problems. This disease destroys nerve cells in the spinal cord and makes you be disabled. Symptoms after you are diagnosed with ALS are difficulty walking, possibility of tripping or falling, you'll get weakness in your legs, ankles, or feet, hand weakness, slurred speech, muscle cramps, and twitching in your arms, shoulders, and tongue. A huge symptom is muscle weakness and paralyzation. 5 in every 100,000 deaths in people 20 or older is caused by ALS. The mouse has the same gene as the human, mutant SOD1. It was the first lab model for ALS. It remains the most widely used animal model of the disease. It is also used because of its bigger size for gene therapy and stem cell use. Also, they are used for trying out different therapies because their nervous systems are much more bigger and more complex. A new treatment was discovered when a mouse was used. Copper ATSM is a compound used to deliver copper to damaged mitochondria in the spinal cord where it treats the ALS. After the mice were given this, some mice were able to survive more than 650 days, and any extra copper in the system was flushed out. Alexi's life after being diagnosed has drastically changed. No longer could she play basketball. She was paralyzed. Most days she just lays on her bed and it hurts for her to walk. She never imagined her life would have ended up like this. She is seeking new treatment to help her to be able to walk again and enjoy life. Most people get the disease between 40 and 70, and ALS is 20% more common in men than women. Treatment cannot make the damage of ALS go away, but it can slow down your symptoms. If you already have become disabled, then they can't reverse that with the treatment for ALS. You need an integrated team of doctors to provide you good care. There was an anti-glutamate oral drug that was approved by the FDA in 1995 that increased life expectancy by a couple months. The drug is called Rilotic. Now Rilotic shows the progress of ALS. It allows patients more time with control of their muscles. Radicava is a drug in an infusion therapy that was approved in 2017. The drug slows the decline of physical functioning. There is a new method for analyzing mice that led to people into the discovery of key molecular changes, which makes it open for new therapy targets. They're using the new innovations to get information about the early development of the disease. A team of scientists made transgenic mice with the mutation TARD-BP gene. A protein called TDP43 was seen as the main disease-causing gene. A mutation in the TARD-BP gene showed how to make the TDP43, which causes ALS. This mutation led to the discovery of cognitive impairment way before the neurological degeneration that shows the later stages of disease.